Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I've been asked to put a video of the Zontes 125-150U and U1 model changing the air filter. This is a very quick one. The filters are about £15 to buy and do them about every 12,000 miles. The filter itself might be stiff when you're trying to take it out because it's got oil on the outside of the filter which is supposed to stay there, but it just gets hot with the engine heat, etc. Just slide it out. Don't forget when you're putting the new one in to grease the sides of the air filter first before you put it in. Bit of engine oil or something. And there you go, that's it. How simple is that? Code and Bennett. Any comments or questions you have, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try to answer all the comments. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget, this is for cleaning the air filter as well. You don't actually have to change the air filter, just get the old vac on it and take it out and clean it. This is Man Mick signing off. See you all later.